Good morning, applicant. How are you?
Good morning, ma'am. I'm fine, thank you.
Can you tell me something about yourself?
My name is Esmin Clemente, 42 years old, married, no children yet, and I am the eldest from 7 children of the family. My father is 65 years old and my mother is 63 years old.
Do you have a working experience as domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am. My working experience as a domestic helper is 3 years and 3 months in Lebanon. I served for 5 members of the family, mom, sir, and the 3 children, 19 years old, 15 years old, and 12 years old. My main duties and responsibilities are doing the household chores like cleaning, ironing, doing the laundry, and helping my employer to prepare the food for the family. And I have 6 years experience in Hong Kong, finished contract with one employer, and I serve 4 members of the family. My mom, sir, the 2 children, 7 years old and 1 years old. My main duties and responsibilities are childcare, marketing, meal planning, cooking, doing the household chores like cooking, ironing, and doing the laundry.
Why do you intend to work abroad?
To earn a living for my family.
How was your experience in your previous employer?
My previous employer are very good, ma'am. They treat me like a member of the family.
As a domestic helper, what are your main duties and responsibilities?
As a domestic helper, my main duties and responsibilities are childcare, doing the household chores like ironing, doing the laundry, cleaning the house, cooking, and meal planning.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am. I can cook Chinese food, Western food, and Filipino food. The Chinese food is steamed fish, steamed egg, steamed minced pork, stir-fried vegetables. I can cook soup noodles, and fried noodles too. Western food are pasta and fresh vegetable salad called salata. Filipino food, adobo, sinigang, menudo, chicken curry, and many more.
What are the appliances that you can operate?
The appliances that I can operate is like automatic washing machine, rice cooker, microwave oven, vacuum cleaner, air fryer, and many more.
How can you take good care of young children?
Ensuring the safety of the children and attending to all their needs like feeding them, bathing them, putting them to sleep, and constant taking care of them, ma'am.
Will you pinch or hit them if they are naughty?
No, ma'am.
Can you tell me possible reasons why the baby cries?
The possible reason why the baby cries, maybe the baby is hungry or need to change the diaper, or maybe the baby is not feeling well.
If your employer, child, or baby is not feeling well, what will you do?
I will inform my employer immediately, and if my employer asks me to do so, I will assist in bringing the baby to the pedia for checkup.
How can you manage the household chores and the baby?
I need to make a household schedule and doing multitask. I need to do the cleaning when the baby is asleep.
So how can you handle homesickness?
Constant communication with my family and praying to God.
What is your final message to your prospective employer?
To my prospective employer, I'm looking forward to be your domestic helper. I am a reliable hardworking and honest employee, and I'm eager to learn more about your family's need and how I can best to assist you. Thank you.